Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing great today. Today I got a big delivery from a UGREEN company, which is a very famous company on Aliexpress. And without being late, let's do the unboxing review. Let's start with this stand. This is a desktop support. You can use it to put your tab or mobile phone on it. Let's start by opening it up. Now, as for the plastic that's wrapping the box, it's very strong. Let's see where it's open it from. I think here we go. How am I going to open it? Let's open it from this side. As you can see, it has rubber here to support the standing mechanism, supports from being slipped. You can adjust the degree that you want to land. This is as much as you. It has both sides rubber from this side and from this side too. It says here UGREEN. Let's test it. As you can see, I have a Samsung tab here. If you put it this way, or you can put it this way, it's very comfortable to use. I'll put link down in the description if you want to see it. Open the link to see the stand on Aliexpress. Now I ordered this too. As you can see, it came a very nice package. 1 second. Now let's open it. This is an HDMI cable from UGREEN. I think the length of it is about, how much, if it does say, yeah, 3 meters. Yeah, it's 3 meters, and you have a plastic cap for protection, and it's plated in gold materials. I don't know if it's real gold, but I think it's for support, for better transmission. This is the cable. Let's see here first. Yeah, because I have 2 HDMI cables and I wanted to use my older model to make it more in length. So this is an adapter from HDMI to HDMI cable, both HDMI. And what else? Let's see here. Yeah, this is a USB to Type-C cable. If you want to put a flash reader to your mobile phone, you can see here it's USB to USB Type-C, or your mobile phone, or whatever these type of devices that using Type-C to transport some stuff. And I ordered this. This is a very nice adapter if you have a Samsung Galaxy Tab which supports Type-C port, or if you have the newest iPad model, or let's say Microsoft Surface, you can use this, and it's very helpful. And this is a very well engineered company and well built, and it's very cheap comparing it to more expensive models. As you can see, you can notice that the company respects itself from the packaging here. Let's open it up. This is the USB adapter. You connect it to your, let's say, Surface. You have a Surface, Microsoft Surface, or Samsung tab or an iPad. So you can use here another USB-C. You have plug and 3 USB 3. As you can see here, I don't know if it's focused. One second. It says USB. Yeah, here we go. USB type 3. And from here you have the HDMI port. So it supports, let's say, about five ports: USB-C and 3 USB type 3 and 1 HDMI port. It's a nice build quality. It has a little weight to it, and the cable here, it's really thick. It's a good quality. Now let's gather them around for you to see. This is the HDMI cable transporter, and this is the USB to USB-C, and this is the port. This is the support for playing your tap. You can put it here, you can adjust the height of it if you want it more stand. I think it's very nice. If you want to use it, just stand there, use it, and gives you a little flexibility adjustment. This is the cable. So that's it for today. Hope to see you soon in the next videos. For more unboxing videos, reviews, please subscribe and stay tuned. See you. Bye bye.